In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Notion database to Excel. First, open your browser and head to Notion's website. If you're not already signed in, click Login. I'll use the Google option for speed, but you can use whichever sign-in method you normally prefer. Choose your account and complete the login so you land in your workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the page that contains the database you want to export. Open that page so you can see the database clearly. Now look to the top right of the database view and click the three dots to open the options menu. From that menu, choose Export. This brings up Notion's export dialog, where you'll choose the file format and what to include. Open the Export Format drop-down and select CSV. CSV is a simple, universal spreadsheet format that Excel reads perfectly, and it preserves your database rows and columns cleanly. Next, review the Include options. Use the Databases drop-down to make sure you're exporting the database content you need. Then open the Include Content drop-down to fine-tune what gets packaged with the export. If your page contains related subpages, enable Include Subpages so nothing important is left behind. If you do include subpages, turning on Create Folders for subpages helps keep everything organized in separate folders after export. When your settings look right, click Export. Notion will bundle your CSV and any related content into a zip file and download it to your computer. Wait for the download to finish, then locate the zip file in your Downloads folder. Now let's get it into Excel. Open Excel on the web and click Upload a File. In the file browser that appears, first make sure you've extracted the zip you just downloaded. This is important. You can't upload directly from the zip. Excel needs the actual CSV file inside. Right-click the zip, choose Extract, and open the new extracted folder. Inside, find the CSV that matches your database name. Click the file, then confirm to open it. Excel will load your data into a worksheet, with each Notion property appearing as a column. Dates, numbers, and text typically come through cleanly in CSV. If a column looks off, you can use Excel's formatting tools to adjust it. And that's it. You've successfully exported a database from Notion into Excel. From here, save it to your preferred location, share it with your team, or build charts and pivot tables as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting!